50 years. That's how long humanity waited to send people back toward the moon. Not robots, not probes, actual human beings. And now, the crew of Artemis 2 has returned. Their Orion capsule came screaming back through Earth's atmosphere, wrapped in plasma hotter than the surface of the sun, before splashing down in the Pacific with a scorched black hole, physical proof that humans had finally crossed lunar distance again. This was the first time since Apollo 17 in 1972. But most coverage focused on the mission timeline, the hardware, the politics, the future moon-based plans. Almost nobody talked about the thing that may matter most, what the astronauts actually saw. Since Apollo ended, no human had gone farther than a few hundred kilometers above Earth. Then Artemis 2 changed that. The Orion spacecraft carried 4 astronauts farther from Earth than any humans had traveled in decades. The crew described one experience that astronauts keep struggling to put into words: seeing Earth shrink. At first, Earth still looks huge, bright blue oceans, white storms, but hour after hour, it gets smaller. Until eventually, Earth stops looking like a world. It becomes an object, a glowing marble suspended in infinite darkness. Apollo astronauts called this the overview effect. One astronaut described the silence as almost unsettling because Earth suddenly looked unbelievably delicate. From lunar distance, there are no borders, no politics, just a tiny blue-white sphere carrying every human being alive. What hit the crew hardest wasn't the moon. It was realizing how thin Earth's atmosphere actually looks. Thinner than the skin of an apple. Then came the moon itself. The scale breaks your brain. Crater walls rose like mountain ranges. Shadowed regions looked bottomless. The shadows are brutally sharp because there is no air to scatter light. Just light and void. Then came Earthrise. Watching Earth slowly emerge above the lunar horizon as a living world. Apollo astronauts famously said they went to explore the moon but discovered Earth. Artemis 2 reignited that feeling. This mission restored perspective. At lunar distance, you are truly alone. There is no quick rescue. One astronaut described it as feeling between worlds, crossing the boundary again. Unlike Apollo, this crew carried modern awareness knowledge of climate fragility, making the sight of a tiny Earth even more emotionally heavy. The return was violent. Orion slammed into the atmosphere at 40,000 kilometers per hour, engulfed in 5,000-degree plasma. But they made it. Safe. Space makes us appreciate Earth more. Its warmth, its color, its improbability. Artemis 2 was a reminder that the sight of Earth from the moon can still change us. Soon, Artemis 3 will take the next step. The age of deep space exploration is restarting. For real. And out there tonight, the moon is waiting again.